Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Amazon came by, delivered my new package. Something I've been thinking about getting for a while. Something I should have had a long time ago, but just decided to get it. Oh, that should be a dead giveaway right there. Metric stubby wrenches. For so many times I could have utilized these, and here we are. Oh, here's the 10 mil right here. Nope, that's 11. I guess I can't read. Maybe the 10 mil's missing. Oh, no, 10 mil is right here. Probably the one I'm gonna lose first. Looks like we're starting with the 8mm. These have got some real nice finish. Real nice chrome finish on them. Real nice addition to my toolbox, which is going to come in handy. All the more common sizes for working on your vehicle. I just flipped them around for the crowd that suffers OCD. Very beautiful set of wrenches, I must say myself. For the price, couldn't go wrong. They're $89 Amazon. Free shipping, Prime, next day delivery. It seems like teeth are very fine too, so they're definitely gonna help out in those really tight spots. I wish I would have got something like this a long time ago, but glad I got it now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.